My fancy dress name.
My fancy dress name is Daughter. I wear my coat and stethoscope.
I treat.
I treat 6 people. One had a violin right. One had a violin right. Doctor is my getting stomach pain, doctor. Aloo, chocolate and kurkure.
Don't eat.
Don't eat food.
I tell.
I wear something to keep your body healthy. Brush your teeth.
Turn this side.
Brush your teeth. I said it. Take your bath every day. Wash your hands before and after eating. Eat your food and stay good.
Thank you, Dr. Sir.
Thank you.
Okay.